What's the meaning of bazaar? Bazaar. Bazaar.
Bazaar. Bazaar. The term bazaar refers to a market or a commercial district where various goods, services, and merchandise are sold. The word originated from the Persian language, where it refers to a network of small shops and stalls selling a wide range of items. The bazaar is typically characterized by a bustling atmosphere, with vendors haggling over prices, and shoppers browsing through the various offerings. It is a common feature in many cultures around the world, from Asia to Africa, and often serves as a social and cultural hotspot. In recent times, the concept of the bazaar has been adapted to online marketplaces such as Amazon and eBay, which reflect its time-honored tradition of commerce.